everyone, I'm Kendra, an HR generalist here at Atlas, and today I will be talking about a discount program that is offered to participants of our Blue Cross Blue Shield of Nebraska medical plan. The program is called Blue365 and works much like Groupon or the LifeMart program that is available to all of our Atlas employees. Blue365 gives you access to exclusive savings on select products and services for health and fitness, fitness gear, personal care, financial health, and overall well-being. Discount vendors include name brand companies like Reebok, Fitbit, Jenny Craig, Fairmont Hotels and Resorts, and Quicken Loans, just to name a few. There's even a program called Fitness Your Way, where for $29 a month, you have access to a network of over 10,000 gyms nationwide. To learn more about this program, visit blue365deals.com. If you decide to register an account, you will need your Blue Cross Blue Shield member ID. This is the alphanumeric ID found on the front of your Blue Cross Blue Shield card. If you do not have your card with you and you need your ID number, send an email to me at benefits@atlasmedstaff.com. I'm Kendra from Atlas, and this has been your HR Minute.